Ladies and gentlemen, it's WWF SmackDown time, coming to you live.
If all the superstars follow Triple H's example, the World Wrestling Federation will be a better place.
Stop kissing up, King. The master of the Boiler Room Brawl. Mankind is a force to be reckoned with in the World Wrestling Federation.
He just came from the boiler room? We should go back in. 1, 2, What's he doing out there?
I don't know, but somebody better call security. Who knows where this match will go next?
Next thing you know, they'll end up backstage. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I can't believe it, King. He kicked out.
They don't come any closer than this, JR. 1, 2.
He kicked out. He kicked out. He kicked out.
Oh my God! So close! 1, 2, 3.
Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knocker.
They nearly killed each other out there.